let's look at question 1, part A. Question 1, part A. Okay. So in this video, I'm gonna do question 1, part A, and question 2, part A. Okay. So the first step, we're gonna write all this mean term into a 4-bit binary mode. So for example, we have this 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Okay, I copied on that. Probably don't need that anymore. So to do that, you can think of this 4 bits. So the first bits represent A. The second bit represent a 4. This one's 2. This is 1. So for 1, it's just 0, 0, 0, 1. For 5, so 4 plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 7 is 4, 6, so 0, 1, 1, 1. 9, probably we want a this one and this one to make it a 9. Okay, 11, so we can have this as 11. Okay, 12, then we can have this one as 12, right? And 14, that's 12 and another 2. 15 is everything. Okay, so after that, we're gonna make groups. Okay, so this one is stop here. So we're gonna make a group by number of ones. So we don't have a 0 ones. The minimum we have a 1 1. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 here, and 1 1 is this one, 0 0 0 1. Okay, well, this one itself is one group. So this is group number 1, and we're gonna have 2 ones. For example, this one have 2 ones, and this one have 2 1. This one have 2 1. Okay, I have 3 2 1s, which is a 5, 9, and 12. Right? Have 3 of them. So we just copy that 0 1 0 1 for 5, and 9 is 1 0 0 1. 12 is 1 1 0 0. Okay, we copy that, and we know this one is the second group. So we call group number 2. And then we have 3 1s. So this one have 3 1, this one have 3 1, this one have 3 1. So which is 7, 11, and 14. So 7 is 0 1 1 1. 11 is 1 0 1 1. 14 is 1 1 1 0. Okay, we actually just rearranged the order of this one by number of ones they have. Okay, so this is group number 3. The last group is a 15, which have 4 ones. So far we finished this part. We can scroll to the right. So the first one is not important. So the next part is we try to match between groups. All right, so the first step, we match from group 1 to group 2. All right, so the way we do it is just compare bits. So for this one, this is 0, there's a different bits, so we call it x. Okay, 0 x 0 1. All right, so it matched. Then we just write 0 x 0 1. Okay, and we give a name for that is a 1 and a 5, because 1 and 5 are matched. After it's matched, we just tick them. Okay, then we will compare 1 and a 9. Okay, that's x 0 0 1. Okay, x 0 0 1. What we did is a 1 and a 9. All right, so 9 is ticked. The next one is x x, okay, there are two difference, then it's not gonna work. We're gonna jump that. So that's it for this group 1 and group 2. After we compare, we only have this 2. Next is we compare group 2 and group 3, okay? So we start from 5 and 7. So 0, 1, x1. 0, 1, x1. What we got is a 5 and 7. All right. And then we could do 5 and 7. We tick that. So then 5 and 11. Okay. X, all right. Two difference. That doesn't work. 5 and 14. X, 1, x doesn't work. Okay. Then we start from 9. 9 and 7. X doesn't work. 9 and 11. 1, 0, x1. 1, 0, x1. Okay, that is 9 and 11. All right. 9 and 11 ticket. 9 and 14. 1, x doesn't work. Okay, then 12 and 7. X, 1, x doesn't work. 1, x doesn't work. 1, x 0. 1, x 0. It does work. That is 12 and 14. So tick 12, tick 14. Good. So group 2 and 3 all being compared. Then 3 and 4. 7 and 15, okay? X 1, 1, 1. Good. X 1, 1, 1. Then we got a 7 and 15. Next one. 1, x 1, 1. 1, x 1, 1. That is 11 and 15. Last one. 1, 1, 1, x. 1, 1, 1, x. That is 14 and 15. All right. So far, we ticked everything. So that means this one has been matched at least once. That's okay. We don't need to care about that. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 3 group. Okay. So we're gonna do that again. Okay. We're gonna do that again. So we're gonna match this one with this group. So we try to match this one. Sorry, we try to match this one with this one. Okay, there is a trick here. So when you have x, that become easy. So x, you match with this one. You're looking for position for x. All right. So there's no x at all. That means this will not match with them at all. And this x is here. This will not match this one at all. So all of them are not matched. So they all not matched. Okay. If you're not matched, you put an X. That will be the final products we're gonna use for grab that little cross, for draw that little cross map in the end. Okay. What's that thing called? That will be the second question. It's called a prime implicant chart. Okay. So if you can't match them, they will go to the chart. For this one, with this group match with this group, we can have a look again. So all they have a x in this row, no x in this row, so they never match. So all of them, so probably you don't need to draw all of them. So you know all of them gonna go to the next section in the picture. All right. So that is actually all about question 1, part A. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna just keep going. All right, I'm just gonna keep going to finish this part. So now we are gonna talk about question 2, but still about part A. So first step you want to do in this step, you want to bring back all the locations for the ones, which is all the way here. So 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Okay, you want to bring them all back So I'm gonna write their number here. So this one is 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Okay, and then you wanna put sorry, I will draw another line here. You wanna put X for the location of those numbers. So like this is a 1 and 5, so you put X for 1, X for 5, 1 and a 9, 5 and 7, 9 and 11, 9 and 11, 12 and 14, and 7 and 15, okay, and 11 and 15, 14 and 15. So I got all of them. So each row should have 2x. That's just 2x because we don't have another match. You're gonna see the next question. You get more matches. All right. So after that, you want to look at it vertically. Okay. So you're gonna identify this one is a 1x occupy a whole column. This is a special one. We're gonna use that. So that's actually the only one. So now we start to make a cross. So we're gonna try to cross out all the axes. So the rule is like this. So we're gonna cross this row first. Okay, I'm gonna cross this row first. The reason being, you're gonna see that later, because if you cross this one, this x can go up and down as well. So this x is gonna cross this x as well. So you can see this one cannot cross anyone. That means if you cross any other row, you can't cross this one. So you have to draw a horizontal line for this one. This horizontal line is very important. We're gonna do something about this row, okay? So make a mark here. The next one is actually up to you. You just try to make the smallest horizontal line, small number of horizontal line to cross all the x. So it's like a game. It's pretty interesting. So I'm gonna do this one. So if I cross this one, this two can be crossed, this two can be crossed. Okay, so I got this one, give a little mark, and I want to cross this line as well. So I want to cross this one, then this one cross this one cross this. Okay, now the last one, I can do this, and you can cross this one, and then you can cross this one. All right, so I did 4 horizontal line. So this 4 horizontal line gonna form the final products for my Boolean expression. So we're gonna go back to this part. So this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So for my final result, it's gonna including 4 terms. So the first term is this one. And when you're looking at here is x, that means this term is not existing in the expression. If you see a 0, you know this term is a -1, so B naught. And this is 0, so this is C naught. This is a 1, so this is a positive, okay? And it's a product term. So this is a sum of products. Then we're gonna sum another term, which is this one. And we got a -1, A naught. We got a positive B. We got a C is not there. C is X. D is 1. D is 1 here. So we got that one, the second term. The third one, we have A, B, no C, -D. Okay, -D. So A, B, -D. Last part, this one, A, B, sorry, B is not there. A, C, D. A, C, D. All right, that's it. That's for question 1A, and question 2B is all about this one. So we actually did the whole process for the Quine-McCluskey methods to find this one. If you're interested, you can do a K-map. Actually, if you see a 4 inputs one, is much easier to do a K-map one. All right, but this method does helpful if you have a mole term. All right, so that is this one. We're gonna see the part B in the next video.